Zinja zami sekhahlamba. Welcome back to another episode here on Diski Parliament. Sende sithembiso sathi we will see you in the next episode. Sekunjalo bafethu, sekunjalo. Sibali, khamba njani?
Grand Sibali khamba.
Ngiyaphileka Sibali.
Nakufana.
Bathini Sibali?
Hambe kulunge Sibali.
Hambe kulunge Sibali, 9 to 5 Sibali ngikhathele blind ngala kumele sisipane ngoba vele sayinda
Style team
Sibali. But otherwise ngeke silale bafethu, there's a lot that's going on yabona, and ngeke silale singakandelivereli lama news. It's all about Kaizer Chiefs namuhla bafethu. Sibali, Kaizer Chiefs into ngathi tiyendeka, coaching ngathi ukhuluma into lejabulisa amakhosi. Kwenzakalani lapha eNatural?
As mentioned ku previous episode ukuthi ubuka as if une direction. Ubuka as if une direction, we can only hope ukuthi udofika dodlala football le progressive athathe team yethu is winning something. So we are very very much hopeful.
Yeah. But yena uyathembisa ngoba ubala ukuthi he needs some reinforcement or what are the developments there?
Mentioning ukuthi we basically need the reinforcement in attack because ushide ufuna two wingers, a striker and an attacking midfield.
Obviously two wingers to replace Lelepo.
Yeah, to replace Lelepo.
And then, you know that the second wing, is it also a right winger or looking to?
No, you want one on the right and one on the left. Then you want another striker and then attacking midfield. Ushite and defense wise, Ukabago the Kaizer Chiefs is solid, of which I think is a valid point because we do have quite a lot of quality defenders. So teaming a corner coordinator, defense and attack connect, then we can be a really good team.
So ngokubona kwakho, which players do you think our coach should consider this for? Like, do you think maybe he can look locally, and who are those and abroad?
I don't think ubuga locally because he doesn't have much experience locally. So considering that player lands number 6. And kunema rumors ukuthi sibuka into this Zimbabwean guy lo angadlala eZim, but he does represent the Zimbabwean nation. So
who's this? Biteko?
Yeah, Biteko.
No, it's not Biteko.
It's not
that guy from
No, sikhuluma nganga the number 6 guy. That guy from Zim Kamalake.
Defensive midfield.
No, he's a striker, but it's still rumors. So
Bitero is the defensive midfield.
Yeah, he's a number 6. And according to Cedric Cards, ngoba uthi ukile wadlala naye asadlala. So uthena
wait, uke wadlala Cedric Cards
wadlala naye.
Na
yeah.
Nale striker.
No, the number 6 is
number 6.
The player we've already signed.
Okay, Biteko.
Yeah. So Utsena is a really good player, but the only problem would say he's injury prone.
Okay.
When I got my games last season, I represent the national team yakhe AFCON qualifiers. But overall, Utsena is a good player. So we can only hope to figure like South Africa. Angabnema injuries. So because Ngabane is solid number 6, I think coach angakona pusha namabuyi adlala as a number 8 to them freedom corner to make progressive passes more angabe that concern in defense. So if it works when a solid number 6, then in midfield it right. Then if we are to bring say number 10, like a good number 10, then in midfield it be solid because Chris led bafana lesnabo abasengasikhombisa usikhona someone lofuna ukuthatha that number 10 position ibe yakhe. So we need to bring someone.
But akamnika kakhulu chance Chris Lane. Udlalile yena then but akabonakali kangaka.
Yena ubonakala ngathi une potentials, but we have been saying that for years. Ukufika le player line potential. Ukufika bad man line potential. Then when it's time to deliver hluleke. So le opportunity ngiyanyanya lena ukuthi but no le player le banika the 15 minutes why banganika 90 minutes. You are given a chance to prove because you deserve a place in the team. Le opportunity lenayo you have to push ukhombisa ukuthi I want to play la ngifuna lo. And for me Chris Led akasanga convinced ukuthi ngasho ukuthi we have a solid number 10. So I think that's one of the reasons why coach afuna to reinforce let's number 10, let's my wingers and my striker. As for striking department, I'm more confident go Flavio. Na Ikador last season, Bengisha even though many criticized. I think overall Ikadora is a good forward. Net good Siena he's a ball holding strike. So if ever I told my baller, uno funa to drop back to the midfield at Lanzeli baller, and then which becomes a challenge, better as a code court. But if ever we have a number 10 who's going to feed him my ball, without and score. So my striker, I got that concern. Flavio can score goals. Na Ikadora, if ever we get a good number 10, he can score goals.
Okay.
So
then I have 2 more questions, right? So nya reinforcer ma wing.
yeah.
Also, when we talked previously, ngoba vele sihlezi sikhuluma la studio, you mentioned that a coach has made I would say a promise or maybe a commitment that they will play Mdu Shabalala more frequent. Where does that leave him, Masenio reinforcer? Because I wouldn't say I trust or hope, but I believe if Newlands are new reinforcer and quality which is going to be better than Mdu Shabalala, angeke ngifune Newlands already mundu longa pass walele now. So where does that leave Mdu Shabalala? Is the commitment still going to stand that Mdu Shabalala is going to get the game time that he deserves?
A competition is always good, but we can't babysit any player. Uma kuthi Kaizer Chiefs Daniel ngabona a good goalkeeper. Ingasamlanza then Peterson needs to compete nalo approve ukuthi I deserve to be. And no, Bamlanz is a number 2. Bamlanz is a number 2. So competition is always good. If ever Mdu afuna kudlala, it's not like Slandama players. It's okay when you deserve what you deserve through delivering. Obviously Mdu is going to get a chance. Obviously Vilagaz is going to get a chance. Duba is going to get a chance. So if ever there's better competition, I feel like now batofuna improve because bafuna lokudlala. Ngibona ne video Vilagaz I said this season akafuna ukukhuluma kakhulu, talk is cheap. So
and ngibonile le video le ngasho ngathi sitakukhumbula. Sitamkhumbula thina yasikhohlwa. Kahle ngoba futhi la parliament siyatholana singabona nje ukuthi masizithola system yesimbona sike sekuthwebule kutsala yabo. So sibani lenye into le ngifuna ukukubuta yona. In fact ngifuna ukuinform, you might not have seen it,
okay,
but basitshelile baphathi betinkundla zokuqhumana la ekhaya uthi khona nje statement lo sendile sabekwa lapha kafa kuleti inkundla zokuqhumana ba comment abantu bayakhala abantu kalento loyishilo ngamako no bayakhala kakhulu ukuthi awumfuni Chiefs ukuthi umuntu lo njani lo ungaba address uthini.
Bantu bathanda to blow things out of proportion. I didn't say ukuthi injury yamako yonke lento leyo ya lengijabulisayo. Ngicala statement sami ngathi from a human perception. Ngiyamfilela Mjita, hopefully uya recover. Abe great. But as a footballer, na last season angizange ayisho lento leyo. Maybe because last season ngayisho sicocela nje. Ngasho ukuthi my team most of the time makunamako. Bavele ngathi bashifte yonke ama tactics abathi okay azingeneni ngala kumako. Umbona ukuthi uyastructure like yonke ibhola bafuna kuyisa ngala iside lamako. Bese siyasafarisha. So as a fan ngidawusho ukuthi le player le I'll deliver. Hayi ukuthi I have anything against I don't have anything against ngiphinze ngathi mina ngathi mina lama players zonke like 8 benza phelela i-contract. I feel as if Chiefs ngoba ivela wayekela ahamba yaletha abantu labasha because they've been there for years, which include goalkeeper wethu lo went mistake lesi naye bengicabanga ukuthi one of the people abadamyekela hamba obona net ukuthi bantu bafuna ukuthi okay you can't speak like that because angasho ukuthi mina ku right ukuthi alima angayisho and if ever bayithathe kabi ba forward to and people who watch the podcast nginesini but angizange ngathi mina ku right ukuthi alimala ngathi as a footballer we are coast. That's what I was saying.
Angiboni kunnecessary ukuthi ungaxolisi.
For peace sake is bad. I'm being the bigger person.
Because listen, it was clear that we wish
He may speedy recover,
speedy recover ukuthi abe right uyabo. But in terms of performance yakhe in the field,
Yeah.
ayijabulisi, and you are well within your rights to raise that opinion. You understand? And bakhona labavumelana nayo, khona labaphikisana nayo. In as much as nabo ba raise ama opinion yabo bathi siyaphetha, sometimes labanye bathi sishaya span lescreen. So ngiqhubeke lwa raise njalo lama opinion lawo bafethu, you are well within your rights. Esibani. Last question before sivala, because vele we are chasing time.
Okay.
Uyithini yonke lenzaba lena? How confident are you next season? Looking at obviously the commitment that the coach is making, the promises, and also the fact that he wants to reinforce more. Already the players that you have signed in your squad, your current depth and the promising depth that you are going to have in the near future, right before the league start or maybe during the league. Are you confident that you are going to compete in all these 5 competitions that you will be playing? Will you compete for the league? Will you dethrone Orlando Pirates? Are you going to claim back your Nedbank Cup? What's going to happen there?
Coach to promise us we are going to win at least 1 cup. So far, I feel as if my feelings are be that valid because we still have reinforcement to make. So let's see how the signing of new players go. Then afterwards, check my profile on my player, and I can say. But team but I go to every competition getting a winner. Ngisho noma nginika like ngiyodlala kube starting 11 kube tikhuni into yange mindset kuthi we are going to win as Kaizer Chiefs.
So you believe that you will win that one trophy that the coach has promised?
I believe we are going to have a better season compared to the season we had.
I also think this is going to be an interesting season. Whoever is going to win this season will have to work for it. So we already know that the dominance of Mamelodi Sundowns, it's over. We have a new player now in the game who's dominating the South African football, and we have a tough competition ahead.
I disagree with the statement that you have a new player who's dominating the South African football.
Yes, and that player is Orlando Pirates.
Dominating is a big word. Dominating is a big word. I think Pirates overall is doing well, but dominating, it's a big word.
You told us about, but that would be a topic for another day. So we will close this session. Thank you, Sibali, for coming and sharing your opinion today and your thoughts and your analysis also. We truly value that insight from you, Sibali. And Gini Bafethu, sibonga kakhulu for joining us. As always, Bafethu, siyayibonga leyo support. If you are new today, this is Diski Parliament, and we talk anything and everything Diski related. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment, share your thoughts, because you are entitled to share your opinion, no matter how good or bad. Drop it down below, Bafethu. Don't forget to also subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are always notified when we drop an upload here at Diski Parliament. Thank you, Zinjazam.
Thank you, Bafethu.